Hungry and craving pasta? I suggest you try this tomato and vegetable pasta that is meaty, spicy, and very tasty. If you love Italian sausage and don't mind some heat, you are going to really love this recipe. Ingredients, for 2 portions. 1 medium carrot. 1/3 jar Belmorso Cannonata, 100 grams. Belmorso Wholemeal Orecchiette 250 grams. 1 Italian sausage or 2 small. Belmorso extra virgin olive oil. 1/4 glass white wine and parmesan cheese for grating. Preparation. Start by washing and chopping your spring onions and carrot. You want to peel and cut your carrot very finely, almost as if you were mincing it. Sauté the spring onions and carrot into a pan with a generous drizzle of Belmorso extra virgin olive oil. This sofrito will give extra taste to your tomato and vegetable pasta with cannonata. Boil the water for your wholemeal orecchiette pasta, with plenty of salt. Once the vegetables have started getting a golden hue, add the sausage, removing the skin and cutting it into small pieces. Mix with your spoon and leave to cook. Throw the pasta to cook. As soon as the sausage looks like it's nearly cooked, add the white wine, and leave it to evaporate for about 3 minutes. Finally, add the cannonata sauce, take the heat down, and leave to cook for another 2 minutes. Then take off the heat. Your tomato and vegetable sauce with cannonata is ready. Drain the pasta and add it back to your pot. Transfer the sauce into the pot with the pasta and mix well. Serve your tomato and vegetable pasta with a sprinkle of grated parmesan. You might have noticed I didn't mention any seasoning, not even salt and pepper. That's because the sausage and cannonata have a lot of seasoning. For this reason, I suggest you not to season the sauce. Of course, you can always taste it and add either salt or pepper, or both, if you think it needs it. Buon Appetito!